Good morning, children. Today is 19th January, Tuesday, 2021, English video session for class 10. The book which we are doing now is Honey's First Flight, chapter number 7, Glimpses of India. Today is 19th January, 2021, Tuesday, English video session for class 10. The book which we are doing is First Flight, chapter number 7. Name of the topic is Glimpses of India. The topic Glimpses of India is divided into three. 1. Baker from Goa. 2. Coorg. 3. Tea from Assam. The first topic, A Baker from Goa, is written by Lucio Rodrigues. Coorg by Lokesh Abrol. Tea from Assam by Arup Kumar Datta. Yesterday we were seeing about the baker from Goa, the pen portrait of the traditional village Goan village baker, the reminiscing nostalgia about those old Portuguese days, loaves of bread, how they had mixtures, molders, and how they have already left, but this tradition is still left. The furnaces are still the same age-old furnaces. The thud and the jingle of the traditional baker with the bamboo heralding his arrival in the morning was stressed yesterday. What is the name of the baker in Goa? Pader. P-A-D-E-R, Pader. Pader is from Goa, the traditional bakers from Goa. So whenever the pader comes with a jingle and the bamboo and the thud, the children run to go and see him. The person who really purchases or buy things from them is the maid of the house. But why the children went around to see him is to see if he has the bread bangles or any sweet varieties of bread of special make. They go to check that. Okay. Till that we saw yesterday. What is Paskin or Bastin? The Paskin or the Bastin are usually the maid servants of the house. What are they called? Paskin, Bastin. Okay, the maid servants are called as Paskin, Bastin, and the children went mainly to find out if there are any bread bangles. Okay, and sweet bread of special make with lots of fruits and nuts. The children always love to have anything sweet. So the children run to see if it is there. We saw till that yesterday. Now we are in the third paragraph. Let us see. The baker made his musical entry. So the jingle, the thud and the jingle by the traditional baker bamboo is called a musical entry. What do we call it? A musical entry. With a jang, 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 jang sound of a specially made bamboo staff. Staff is a stick. So the stick will be made in such a manner that it makes that same sound, jang, jang, jang sound, so that it may not mislead the hearers. Clear? Yes. One hand supported the basket on the head and the other banged the bamboo on the ground. So how does they usually go? The two hands, both are engaged. One to hold the basket on the head. The another you have the bamboo thudding on the ground. He would greet the lady of the house with good morning and then place his basket on the vertical bamboo. So he would then place it on the vertical bamboo. But we would not give up. We would climb a bench or a parapet or peep into the basket. Children love to see what is broad. They try to, the height will be more, but whatever, they try to peep into the bamboo, into the basket to find out. We kids would be pushed aside with a mild rebuke, and the loaves will be delivered to the servants. So, will be pushed aside means what? Not to disturb the business scene. Okay, but we would not give up. We would climb a bench. What would we do? We would climb a bench or a parapet and peep into the basket, and we would see what is there inside the basket. Somehow I can still recall the typical fragrance of those loaves. So always, even now, I remember remembering the smell of those bread loaves. Okay, like some of the children of North Karnataka cannot forget the smell of the Jovarka roti. Is it not? They are so much inclined to it that when they eat it, they feel so, it is so satisfying for them. Is it not? I can still recall the typical fragrance of those loaves. Loaves for elders and bangles for the children. So the bread bangles. The children love to eat the bread bangles. Okay. Then we did not even care to brush our teeth or wash our mouth properly. So what are we? The moment we got it, we will eat. We never bothered whether we have brushed our teeth or whether we have washed our face. Nothing matters to us. It's so happy for us. Yes, and why should we? Who would take the trouble of plucking the mango leaf for a toothbrush? So that was the time when Colgate and Close-Up has not come. So what was used for the tooth cleaning? It was the mango leaf. So pluck a mango leaf and brush it. And why was it necessary at all? So the children had so lazy, they did not want to do all these hard work. The tiger never brushed his teeth. Horty could wash and clean everything so nicely after all. So the the animal doesn't brush the teeth. Is it not? Then why should I? That was a very logical question. Okay. Then after that, what are you going to have? Hot tea. So when you are drinking hot tea, all the things will be washed out. Such a nice way the children used to skip the brushing of the morning brushing is very common among children. So, um, let us see the last paragraph again. The baker made his musical entry on the scene with a jag, junk, junk sound. And the sound is specially made with a bamboo staff. One hand supported the basket on the head The other banged the other hand was, what was kept? The bamboo. What was it doing? Banging the ground with a thud sound. Okay. So it is always the baker, when he sees the lady of the house, he wishes them good morning. That is the extreme courtesy and decency. And then what will he do? He will place the basket on the vertical bamboo. So vertical bamboo, when he keeps, the children can't see. It is in a little elevated height. So what would the children do? Jump, climb a bench, take a stool and stand on it, go into the parapet and see what is there inside the basket. Okay? We kids, hi. Doesn't matter.
That's why I just waved. You are telling hi. What is this?
This is the 11th minute.
20 होता ही नहीं है. You keep looking at that thing, then I keep looking every minute and second.
No, waiting.
Give me.
10 o'clock is okay.
Okay, it's almost time.
One hand supported the basket on his head and the other banged the bamboo on the ground. He would greet the lady of the house with good morning and then place his basket on the vertical bamboo. We kids would be pushed aside with a mild rebuke. Hey, mild rebuke means what? No disturbance. He will, little anger is, rebuke is anger. Mild rebuke means what? Don't be naughty. They say no, like mild rebuke. And the loaves will be delivered to whom? The servant. But we would not give up. Loaves are given. So the work is over. Are we ready to leave him? No. What would we do? We would climb on a bench or a parapet or peep into his basket what is inside. Somehow, I can still recall the typical fragrance of those loaves. Loaves for the elders and the bangles for the children. What are these? Bread bangles. So loaves are given to the elders and small children, we are given what? Bread bangles. And what would you do? Yes, without even brushing the teeth, they all ate. And then we did not even care to brush means what? We ignore. We don't care to brush our teeth, wash our mouth properly. No, we don't do it. What do we do? Why should we do? This is a very beautiful question asked. Why should we do? Because who would take the trouble of plucking the mango leaf for toothbrush? So what do? We take the mango leaf for toothbrush. And why was it necessary at all? It's really painstaking to pluck a leaf, then brush, then clean. It's so tedious for the children, so they don't do it. And what do they say for it? The tiger never brushed his teeth. Okay, so when hot tea could wash and clean up everything so nicely after all. Okay, so they would have their hot tea without brushing, and they say that all the things will be cleaned up through the hot tea. What are the elders in Goa nostalgic about? Remember, what is that? Reminiscing? Nostalgia. Is bread making still popular in Goa? How do you know? What is a baker called? Don't say, try to answer. Pader. What is the spelling of Pader? Pader. When would the baker come every day? Why did the children run to meet him? What do they eat? Do they eat the loaves? No, they wanted the bread bangles. Yes. What is rebuke, children? Rebuke is an expression of disapproval. No, you say no, no, don't do it. A scolding. Fragrance is smell. Any smell is fragrance. Yes, let us continue. Marriage gifts are meaningless without the sweet bread, known as BOL, bowl. Okay, just as a party or a free feast loses its charm without bread. Oh, there is a different custom. Not enough can be said to show how important a baker can be for the village. The lady of the house must prepare sandwiches on the occasion of a daughter's engagements. Cakes and bolingas are a must for Christmas as well as the festivals. Thus, the presence of the baker's furnace in the village is absolutely essential. Let's see what they are trying to say. Some of the important marriage is one of the important occasion. Okay. Marriage gifts are meaningless. Meaningless means what? Without any purpose, without the sweet bread. What will be there? Sweet bread. What is the name of the sweet bread called? Bowl. And as a party or a feast, anything, any occasion, it can be a party, it can be even a feast. The real charm is there will be a bread. If the bread is not there, then there is no charm in it. If you go to deep south, without rice and dal, there is no occasion. If you go to near north, without chapatis and dal and sabji, you don't have a occasion. Sweet. Okay, so this is how it happens. So here there is no charm without the bread. Clear? So any occasion, bread has to be baked. So now you understood how important the baker Pade is in Goa. He is a very important figure, is it not? Yes. Not enough can be said to show how important a baker can be for a village. The lady of the house must prepare sandwiches. What has she to do? She has to make sandwich on the occasion of her daughter's engagement. Okay, she has to make what? Sandwiches. So what are the next two? Cakes and bolingas. Cakes and bolingas are important for what? Christmas, one of the very famous festivals of Goa, Christmas. As well as other festivals. It's not only this, any festival, these things must be there. Thus, the presence of the baker's furnace. So, furnace itself means what? It will always be working. There is no rest for the baker's furnace. The orders keep coming. In the village is absolutely essential, most important. Okay, and that to the traditional bread, the traditional sweet bread, bolingas, cakes, bowl, they are always finding a very important place in their lives, in all the occasions. Okay, small, big, party, treat, any function they are found. With this I stop, children. Thank you.